Welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This is a little impromptu video. I came across a product yesterday shopping at the grocery. I'm kind of go over that and show you what it is. It is Mr. and Mrs. T Light Margarita Mix. It said light on it, so I decided let me check it out. Looked at the nutritional information. 2 grams of carbs per serving. Serving size is 5 ounces. Directions on the bottle is in a shaker combine 5 ounces of their margarita mix with 1 ounce of tequila. Shake, serve over ice, garnish with a lime if desired. That's what it says on the label. Now, once I open it, didn't smell like margarita mix at all. And you've seen some of the other review videos I've done with Jordan Skinny Mixes. Great margarita mix they have there. I've done the Jose Cuervo. They used to have a 0 calorie, which is I think no grams of carbs in it. They discontinued that, and then they have a light margarita mix, which is I think right about that 2 grams of carbs again, the same as this one here. But both of those smell and taste like margaritas right out the bottle. This one not so much. This one smells and tastes like a lime snow cone. So, or if you're here in the South, a snowball. But we have, there's no margarita flavor in this at all. It's missing the orange from like a triple sec or an orange liqueur or anything like that. It's completely missing. It just tastes like sweetened lime. So I tried it a second time using 2 ounces of tequila. That really didn't change it a whole lot at all. Then I decided, you know what? Let me try this with something else other than tequila. And that's what I kind of have here, is I have with a little bit of rum. Kind of same thing. It's lime. No margarita in any way, shape, or form does this resemble other than the picture on the bottle. It's a good flavor. I'm not going to say it's a horrible product. If you're looking for something like a sugar-free mixer that's lime, grab a bottle of this. But don't get this thinking it's going to taste like margarita, because it won't. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was like right about $3, I think it was, at Walmart. But yeah, guys, Mr. and Mrs. T Light Margarita Mix. It's light. 2 grams of carbs in a 5 ounce serving. It's light, that's for sure. But once again, not margarita. And I said, that's what I tried, like I said. Tried it with a little bit of rum, thinking maybe I might get a daiquiri flavor out of it. No, not at all. Just lime. I mean, it kills the flavor of any alcohol you put in it so far. I've tried it with 1 ounce of tequila, 2 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces of rum. The flavor of the alcohol is just hidden completely by the mix itself, and you just taste lime. So, guys, I wouldn't recommend this to anybody. If I saw somebody in the store looking at it, I'd tell them to put it down, spend a few extra dollars and get a Jose Cuervo mix if they're not trying to stay on the light side of it, and do margaritas. So really, guys, that's it. I just kind of wanted to show you all what I found and let you know whether it's worth it or not, and it is not. So that's going to be in my stack of other mixers that I really didn't care for. And don't forget, click subscribe at the bottom, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Hey, if you know of any other light mixers that you've come across in stores, you'd like me to review it for you, go ahead and put that in the comments, and I'll see y'all later. You have a great day.